All right. So another one-page Google Slide assignment should not take us long again. Same thing that we have been doing. We will read through it, learn some information, and then answer the questions. So let's head over to Google Classroom, please. It's not posted just yet, so let me get it posted for you. All right, there we go. If you reload your Google Classroom, you should have a new science assignment called Benefits of Space Exploration. Before we start, what's a benefit?
A benefit is something that, like, something that's not, it's good.
Good. A benefit is something good that you get out of something. So the benefits of going to school is that you learn things and you get smarter, right? So benefits are the good things that happen. So we're going to look at the benefits of space travel. What are the good things that come from space exploration and exploring space? So, huh? What? Yeah, I think so. I mean, I don't know firsthand. But. Smells like burnt steak in space. All right. So let's go ahead and get our assignment open. This is another quick one, answering a couple questions. There's not true false this time, but I'll give you about 30 seconds to get it opened up, please. Can I go ahead and get zoomed in on it? I have to as well. 100 is pretty good again.
Digging in that trash though. Nice.
Okay. Alex, fill out your assignment, please. All right. Are we ready? Okay. Last thing, or this one, the benefits of space exploration from a satellite. What's a satellite?
Satellite is a thing in space.
It is a thing in space. Any idea what they do?
They let you see into it.
Not necessarily. I mean, kind of. There's probably some cameras on satellites. We use it for a lot of like signals and things like that. So it's a thing, and it goes in the Earth's orbit, just like how the moon goes around the Earth and all of that stuff, and the Earth spins and blah blah blah. The satellites also orbit Earth. Bradford, go to your desk. Okay, so we're gonna read through this, and then I'll let you guys work on it. So this says the importance of space exploration. Space exploration has improved our everyday life in many ways. The technologies created to aid in exploring space are now used in everyday life. Some examples of space-developed technologies that we use now are cordless power tools, freeze-dried food, flame-resistant firefighter gear, lightweight insulation, automated credit card transactions, and a lot more. So satellites are pretty much the thing that makes that possible. So a satellite is a small object that orbits around the Earth. The first satellites were designed to study the space environment and test whether a satellite or a spacecraft could survive in Earth's orbit. Since then, there are 218 artificial satellites currently orbiting the Earth. These satellites provide us with a number of things we take for granted. First, satellites are used for predicting the weather and monitoring climate. Second, they are used to monitor Earth's natural resources with their ability to detect harmful activities such as illegal logging or animal poaching. And third, satellites send television signals directly to homes across the world. So you're not going to have TV or radio or internet access or anything if you don't have satellites orbiting the Earth. Lastly, satellites provide us with navigation, known as global positioning systems, or a GPS. It says GSP, but it should be GPS. GPS tells us where we are in the world, and it gives us directions from other locations. So satellites are used for a lot, and they help with all of our technology because we need internet for most of our technologies, and we need the signals that come from satellites. I know they put it in the wrong order, GSP instead of GPS. So we have three questions here. Let's see. Well, the first one is, what are you wondering about what you just read? So I would like you to come up with, write down two questions. Write down two questions you have based on what we read. Okay, so two questions. And then down below, we have a couple of questions to answer here. Number one, how does space exploration impact our everyday life? What would life be like if we never explored space? And then, based off of what we know we have because of space exploration, what technology would you miss the most if we didn't have the satellites up there, right? Oh, too far. Okay, come on.
No, I'm not joking.
So for numbers 1 and 2, let's do complete sentences there.
That radio scanner, I was listening to this thing on this guy who was driving and like over 100 miles an hour, like 40. And one of my relatives, his name is
Yeah. Alrighty. Three questions are to answer. So the first one. Yeah. So a couple of questions here. First, write down two questions that you have, and then on the number 1 and 2 down below, answer the questions in complete sentences. When you are done, you can get it turned in. Nice and fast lesson. If you actually finish it, you're done and you can head out. Well, there's some people that just like to sit there and not do the work for an hour.